Hey everyone, welcome back. Does UBS Mobile Banking work fine on your mobile data but completely fails the moment you connect to Wi Fi, just spins or shows a network connection error? Here's the iPhone settings fix. First, go to your settings and then tap Wi Fi. Find your connected network at the top with the blue check mark and then tap the little letter I circle on the right side of your network's name. Tap Forget this network and then confirm. Now, tap on the Wi-Fi toggle on the top to turn it off. Wait 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Now, your network will reappear in the list. Tap it and enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears the broken session that UBS secure servers were rejecting. After reconnecting, try UBS again. If it still fails on Wi-Fi, go to Settings, then go to General, then scroll down to VPN and Device Management and check if any VPN shows as active there. Even a VPN you thought you turned off can still be listed as connected here and UBS will block it. Disconnect anything showing as active. So, all you gotta do is go to Settings, then go to Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect fresh, check VPN and Device Management for anything active. UBS will work on Wi-Fi again and that's it. Subscribe.